In today's video, let's talk about how to fix online banking two-factor authentication in Malaysia. Now, if you're facing this issue within the bank application for any Malaysian bank, the first thing that you need to do in this situation is try to update the application. So if you think that you have done everything normally, and if you're still having issues, this is likely happening due to app bugs. So make sure you update the application of any bank, which could be CIMB or OCTO, depending upon your case. And then the second thing that you can also do or need to ensure is that you disable any sort of VPNs, and also make sure that your date and time within your device is synced. So simply head over to the date and time settings within your device and make sure that it is set to automatic. If none of these solutions are working out for you, then what could have likely happened is if you have entered in the wrong password multiple times, then you may have hit the cooldown period. So in this situation, you need to wait out anywhere from 28 to 48 hours before you can log into your account again. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the online banking two-factor authentication in Malaysia. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.